Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix audio or delay latency on BandLab. So if you're recording your track and there's some sort of beat or delay on the actual beat through your recordings, there's an easy way to fix this. And basically the first thing that you have to do is to head over to the studio. In here, you then want to click on the hamburger icon, or somebody knows it as a pancake icon, so simply click on it. You then want to navigate through the tools option. And basically from here, you then have the latency test. So in order to do this, of course, just make sure that BandLab has access through your microphone or stickers. You could also start recording right here if you want to. So now that there's a track on my file right here or on my project, let's click latency test. And feeling like you're slightly behind the beat, this test will correct the latency caused by your computer hardware. So please make sure that your headphones are unplugged and have your mic close to your speakers. So from here, you just want to click on start test. Hello, 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 hello. And then it will simply open up right here. Now, unfortunately, in my case, there's too much noise in the background, so I wasn't able to do it. But you could manually enter your latency below just to make sure that everything is correct. Then you can keep retesting until it shows that the latency is good enough. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.